Hello fam, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Random Gist with Jumi. Guess what? I am starting my skincare journey, and if this is the first time you'll see my video, please do not forget to click the like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm starting my skincare journey, and it's so funny that for the past 2 years on on all apps on YouTube, I've seen people talk about their skincare journey and how hyperpigmentation and all. And I have not tried any skincare journey before. I have not. I just take my baits and I apply my cream. I just use any soap. I actually use Vaseline lotion. So, but this year I made a promise to myself that I'm going to start taking care of myself because I am in my late 30s and I would like my skin. I don't want my face to start sagging and all. So I really want to take my skincare journey serious this year. So, and I saw an advert on TikTok where someone talked about this beauty by Daz. So I went on their Instagram page and I went to their um, website, and then I got some products and I would like to share this product with you. And please, if you have any better recommendation, you can also drop it um, in the comment section. I'm going to be sharing my skincare journey with you guys over time, the effect of this product on my face as well. So the first product I got based on people's recommendation and was is what's it called, Fix Fat Ceramide Gentle Cleanser. I got this face cleanser for 6,900 and something, 6,900 and something. So this is the first product I got. This is my face cleanser, gentle cleanser. So this is the first product I got, and I'm going to be using this to wash my face, and we'll see how it goes, if it's going to work for me or not. But this is the first product I got. So the second one I got this niacinamide serum, and please, I got this because I didn't want to spend the money I already budgeted for this skincare, and I was such in a hurry. I just picked based on people's review. I've seen videos on this particular product, but I don't know if I will be using it in the morning or in the night. You can please, if you have an idea of how to use this well that it will not damage my face, you can drop it in the comment section. And if there are better serum that I can use with this as well, you can also drop it in the comment section. Please, I am open to any suggestion, and I am ready to work on my face. So I got this. I think I got this for 10,000 or so. I can't really remember the price. So the third thing I got, of course, skincare journey without your sunscreen, you are playing. So, and I don't want to play with my skin. So I got this Isntree um sunscreen. So I got this. I've seen people talk about it, how it's so good on the face and it doesn't itch and all. So I am trying it out, and I'm also going to be sharing my journey with you as I use it on my face. So this is the third thing the third product I got. I mean, so if there are better sunscreen that you can also recommend, I'm open to suggestions. So I will go to my comment section and then I'll give you a feedback. But I'm going to start using this, and I'm going to be sharing this journey with you, my lovely people. I want you to see the effect of this product on my face. So the first thing I got was this COSRX, this moisturizer. What is sunscreen? What is skincare without your good moisturizer? So I got this COSRX, I think 14,000 or so. So this is how it looks like. So I'm going to be using this also, and I would see the effect on my face. I've seen good reviews, but I know there are other products I can use, but I decided to go for this one and see if it will work for my face. So I got this for 14,000 or so. Well, let's see how it goes. So I got this toner. So some people based on videos I've watched on the internet, people said, oh, it's not necessary you get a face toner. I don't think it's necessary. Just get your cleanser, get your essence. I don't know. I was just confused. But because I'm a toner girl, back then when I was in school, I love using toner. I love using face toner a lot. I love cleaning my face. I love cleaning my face. So actually, I said, well, if people said toner is not necessary, I'm still going to get it. So I got this one based on reviews and recommendations on the internet. This Acwell Licorice pH balancing cleansing toner. I'm going to be trying this on and I'm going to see if it will not have any bad effect on my face. I pray all of this product I just bought is not going to damage your, because you can't really know which one is going to work or which one is damaging your skin. But I'm going to take my time and study it, and I'm going to see how it goes, because this toner is a mild acidic toner for sensitive skin that provides clear and hydrated skin with moisture brightening care of liquorized water. I don't have a sensitive skin. I just have a normal skin. I can use literally anything on my face and it doesn't damage my face. It takes a lot of, I've used so many things. As you can see, I don't even use skincare. This is my face. I don't use any skincare. I don't use any. I just wash my face with my Dettol soap. I'm going to stop that obviously, because I'm taking my skincare journey serious. And please, if you have any suggestion, I'm thinking of getting a advanced clinical retinol cream and Olay brightening cream for my day and night cream. So if you have any suggestion about any soap or body wash I can also pair with it, please drop it in the comment section. I'm open to suggestion, please. I really want to get a good soap, good cream, and body wash and body scrub as well. So please, I'm asking, if you have any suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section. I will be very, very glad to hear back, to get a feedback from you, because I don't want to use any cream, but I know retinol is actually very, very important because I'm in my late 30s and I really need to take good care of my skin. I drink a lot of water. I do water therapy every morning and I don't joke with my carrot juice. I eat, most times I blanch my carrot and green peas and I eat them as well with my rice. But um I still need to use what's it called? Good skincare product as well. So the last one I got, I've seen this, I've seen this on the internet, but the ones I saw on the internet is like two in one. But I just saw this on their websites. I've seen good review on it. This Celimax retinol serum that plumps up the skin to improve enlarge pores and improve appearance of fine line. Our bed retinol is very, very good, but I'm going to be very careful when I'm using this, because when you're using retinol, I heard you cannot be using it every day. As a beginner, I think I'll be using it twice a week with little amount of it. So I'll be sharing my progress with you. I'll be sharing my skincare product progress with you. So and this is the last one I got. So everything I got from them was total 73,000 naira. So I'm going to start with this one, but I'm still going to get my cream and my body wash and maybe soap as well. So that is all for my skincare journey. If you watched my video up to this point, that means you enjoy my video and you love seeing my face. So please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your notification button so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. This YouTube channel is all about vibe, lifestyle, entertainment, skincare, and all. I just want to enjoy myself and gist people about my life. I have a story coming up and I'll be posting the video in 2 days' time. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Bye. I love you all. Thank you.